Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to create a collection loop in the Grigora Site Editor. Let's understand how to set this up step by step. First, head over to your Grigora Site dashboard and open the Site Editor. Navigate to the area on your page where you want to add the collection loop. Click on Add Element and insert a Commerce collection list. Next, go into the list settings and select a layout for your columns. Inside the empty Commerce collection template, we need to add an intersection. Go to the Elements panel, click on Intersection, and add it in. Inside this intersection, add an image element, and right below that, add a text element. Now, let's convert this layout into a row format. Select the intersection and choose the row layout option. After that, select the text element to make it dynamic. In the settings, set the source to Commerce Collection. After that, center the layout. Now, select the image, set a specific height for it, and change its fit setting to Contain so it looks clean. To make the whole item clickable, select the intersection again and go to the link options. Turn on the dynamic setting and select Current Collection Page as the source. Now that we've successfully set up our collections in the Site Editor, go ahead and publish your website. If you visit your live site, you will see your collection loop perfectly displayed. Practice these settings to bring your website design to life. See you in the next one.